Good morning all, we're in Maresfield in Kent today, wet and horrible, working on this Saab 93. Clients had it in for some repair work done, mass airflow replaced and glow plugs. Mechanic has advised him to have a carbon clean, so he's come to us. We're supplying him a 3-stage carbon clean after a diagnostic to make sure that the vehicle's in good condition for it. That is our hydrogen cleaning, which is this yellow machine here going on right now. This pulses hydrogen into the air intake, which burns up the carbon. Our injector cleaner and our 3-stage chemical or 3rd-stage chemical cleaner. This is put in beforehand to burn up the oily gunk and dry out the carbon before we start on the hydrogen cleaning. This process takes about 45 minutes. You get free diagnostic with it as well, which saves you money at the garage. We come to you wherever you are, pretty much across the UK. So if you need our services, you can give us a call on 01293 769495, or by all means pop a question over on our messenger service or in comments below this video. Have a great day.